I am extremely honored and delighted to welcome all the dignitaries sitting on the dais on the occasion of the 6th convocation ceremony of Symbiosis University of Applied Sciences, Indore, which is India's first skill development university. आज का ये समारोह हमारे विश्वविद्यालय के इतिहास में एक खास स्थान रखता है, क्योंकि हमारे बीच एक युवा प्रेरणादायक व्यक्तित्व हमारे माननीय मुख्यमंत्री मध्य प्रदेश श्री डॉक्टर मोहन यादव जी उपस्थित है। मैं बच्चों से अनुरोध करूंगी, प्लीज गिव अ ह्यूज राउंड ऑफ एप्लॉज। उनका शिक्षा, साहित्य और समाज सेवा में बहुत योगदान सराहनीय रहा है। इस दीक्षांत समारोह में माननीय श्री मोहन यादव जी का स्वागत करने के लिए मुझे अत्यंत गर्व हो रहा है। वो एक दूरदर्शी नेता है जिन्होंने शिक्षा का स्तर बढ़ाने के लिए हमेशा कोशिश की है। I am sure that our students will be greatly inspired with his motivational words. I thank you, Honorable Chief Minister, sir, for coming all the way to Symbiosis to give your blessings to all of us and our dear graduating students. उनके साथ ही माननीय मध्य प्रदेश जल संसाधन मंत्री श्री तुलसीराम जी सिलावट जी का भी मैं हार्दिक हृदय से स्वागत करती हूँ। उनके राजनीतिक अनुभव और योगदान से राज्य को एक प्रमुख स्थान मिला है। I welcome you, sir. It is my profound honor to welcome our special guest, Dr. Bharat Charan Singh, the chairman of Madhya Pradesh Regulatory Commission, who has always been a pillar of support to all of us at Symbiosis. I also take it my privilege to welcome our respected members of the governing body, Board of Management, Board of Studies, and the members of our academic council, Dr. Ishwar Singh Chauhan, Mr. Satyendra Sharma, Mr. Dinesh Kumar Shukla, Mr. Ullas Bochre, Major Sonali Kadam, and Mr. Vikas Khatri, who are here present today. I am also honored to welcome the Collector and Commissioner of Indore, along with the members of Legislative Assembly and other dignitaries who are present here today. I also welcome the members of the press and media who have come to support us. Most importantly, I welcome our industry partners who are continuously mentoring our students for this Skill University initiative of Symbiosis. Dr. Vineet Nair, our Vice Chancellor, Brigadier Samantha, our Registrar, and the Controller of Examination, Dr. Manish. Sir, I am extremely proud to also give my welcome to our Honorable Chancellor, Padma Bhushan Dr. S.B. Majumdar, sir, who unfortunately could not join in person, but who is watching this ceremony online. मुझे बताने में खुशी हो रही है कि ये समारोह लाइव टेलीकास्ट कर रहा है और हजारों बच्चे और पेरेंट्स आज इसको पूरे भारत में देख रहे हैं। Once again, my heartfelt welcome to the Honorable Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, the Honorable Water Resources Minister, the MPPURC Chairman, and all of us. Sir, without taking much time, I know you have a very busy schedule. I'm happy to inform you that this is India's first skill university, and we are participating in Honorable Prime Minister's Skill India mission and the Make in India initiative. Last year, Symbiosis celebrated its Golden Jubilee, and none other than the Honorable Prime Minister of India was the chief guest for the Golden Jubilee. I am happy to share with you that the Symbiosis Skills Universities have been ranked at NIRF number 1 this year in the country. And we have collaborated with more than 20 international universities from Germany, from America, from France, and from Australia. I'm happy to share with you, sir, that this university, which was established in 2016, with the support and blessings of the former Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, Shri Shivraj Singh Chauhan ji, and with his blessings we have been able to do excellent work in the area of skill-based education. Today, almost 250 students will be getting their degrees and diplomas at your auspicious hands. And I think we are very, very fortunate to have the dynamic and young Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh amongst us. I am sure that this university will not only be India's #1, but also the world's #1 skill university in the years to come. Sir, I'm really happy and honored that all of you have accepted our invitation. And once again, I heartily thank you on behalf of our staff and students. Without much ado, and before ending my speech, I congratulate the graduating students and their parents who are embarking on a new journey of their lives. Children, God bless you. Remember always that Symbiosis is your alma mater, and we all teachers will be always happy to be a part of your journey. Do keep coming back to us and sharing your success stories. Least but not the last, I'm happy to share with you that today we have 83 girls who are obtaining free education from Symbiosis to do a diploma in manufacturing excellence with our industry partners, the Cotton Greaves Group, which is a multinational American company. And these girls will not only be obtaining their skill training in this university, but also on the facility of Greaves in Aurangabad and Pune. Our industry partners, I also thank you for coming here and supporting. Thank you all, and God bless you.